I'm Michael Christensen from Denmark and factory driver for Porsche Motorsport since 8 years now. Yeah, racing for a living and trying to win the biggest races on earth in order to bring home some nice victories for Porsche Motorsport.
Being a factory driver for Porsche, it's all about being fast and to win. In front of us we have a wonderful watch that you won. Can you tell me about this Rolex Daytona?
Well, there's only 2 races in the world I think you can win that watch. Le Mans, there's a chance to win a Rolex. It's not guaranteed that it's going to be a Daytona. The only place that you're guaranteed if you win a Daytona, it's in 24 Hours of Daytona. It was a very difficult race, as it's a 24-hour race of course, but also just going through the rain in the race, being 2 laps down as well, and just having to fight back, coming back, and yeah, 5 hours before the end we got to the lead lap and we just had to fight back in a position where we could fight for the victory. But when I was in the car I just felt like it's possible. This is keep fighting and it will go your way, and it just did.
Then Michael Christensen in the electric car rejoins the race, seconds ahead of the Audi, taking first place.
And then there was no way back for me. There was no way I was going to give this up.
Finishing first, Michael Christensen.
It's probably the biggest win I won in my career early on, and a very proud win as well.
So this Rolex Daytona did not come easy. It is a watch that has been inspired by exactly what you do.
There's the stopwatch, of course. There's the tachymeter where you can measure speed.
But it's not only the watch, because this may look as a 2-tone Rolex Daytona with a white dial, but the indications on the case back proves that this is not just a Daytona.
Well, it says Rolex Daytona winner, so that's what it is, and you have to win the race to get it. So you can't buy it really. It's a winner's watch.
So now you want to sell it on auction. Why on earth would you like to do that?
Well, I kind of put that question to myself. The largest part of this auction will go to Save the Children, Ukraine. Reason being that I have been very fortunate myself, growing up in a good environment, being able to be where I'm at now. And I just see how devastating what things are going on there. And I'm sure most of the kids there have a very different way of growing up than I have. And I just wish that I could help them as much as possible to get in a better direction in life and yeah, have a good life in front of them.